Hi, my name is Amber. I am an Evite influencer. I own a website called Snippets of Design, and I'm taking over crafting the party today for Evite. I'm going to teach you guys how to create a candle chandelier that I used for a dinner party that I recently created for Evite. For this project, you will need seeded eucalyptus garland, a 14-inch metal wreath, 6 votive electric candles and 6 glass holders, scissors, floral wire, wire cutters, a glue that works with glass and metal, sealing hook, and jute. To begin with, you'll want to glue the votive holders to the metal wreath and let it sit overnight to dry. Then you lay the garland down in the shape of the wreath and set the wreath on top of it. Use the floral wire to attach the garland to the wreath. Do this in between each of the votive holders. Check it and make sure that it's attached really good. I left part of mine hanging for the look of it. That's up to you. Take the jute and separate it into 2 yards length sections. You'll want to put 5 pieces together and then wrap it around the wreath in 4 places. Once they are spaced evenly around the wreath, you can hold them up together and tie them into a knot. And then a little bit further up from that, tie another knot, leaving a loop so that you can hang it from that. Then trim off the excess jute. That's it. It's all ready to go. You can hang it above your table and enjoy a wonderful dinner party, and it wasn't that hard of a project at all, was it? Thank you so much for tuning in today. I had so much fun crafting parties with you. If you would like to keep in touch, my name is Amber and my website is Snippets of Design. And be sure to tune in here every week with Evite because they always do cool stuff on Crafting Party. Have a great day.